for a job, generally you have your resume and you also have a letter called a cover letter. So a cover letter is a letter that's addressed to the prospective employer that tells them why they should hire you. It may highlight a few of your key skills and it goes along with your resume. Now, writing a cover letter may be daunting, especially if our literacy skills may not be great. What we can do also is, if you're not comfortable at typing, we can use a text-to-voice function. When you do a cover letter, there are a few formatting issues that you must follow. Address the letter to the person in charge of hiring. If the name's not mentioned, then address it to the company. Clearly state the job that you're applying for and the reference from where you found your job ad. Share your availability and eagerness to start working. Explain why you want to work for that company and how you can make your position at that company's goals accumulate to the success of that company. Highlight your experience and skills that make you a suitable candidate. And conclude your letter by thanking them for their time and thanking them for considering you for the application, as well as that you would look forward to hearing from them for an interview.